recently decided to put DeepSeek to the test against Chat GPT, and the results were eye-opening. DeepSeek is designed for deep, contextual searches, while Chat GPT excels in conversational AI. I started with a complex query about quantum physics. DeepSeek delivered a wealth of academic papers and research articles, diving deep into the nuances. Impressive. But then I switched to ChatGPT for a more casual explanation. It broke down the concepts in a way that felt like chatting with a knowledgeable friend. When I asked for practical applications, DeepSeek provided a list of cutting-edge technologies, while ChatGPT offered relatable examples, like how quantum computing could revolutionize everyday tech. Each tool has its strengths. DeepSeek is a powerhouse for research, while ChatGPT shines in accessibility and engagement. Ultimately, it depends on what you need: detailed data or conversational clarity. Both have their place, but I found myself leaning towards ChatGPT for everyday questions. It's like having a personal tutor at your fingertips.